Hello everybody, and welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we're being asked to find the first four terms of the binomial expansion of the square root of 1 plus 3x. And the first step in doing this is to make it so that our expression follows the form of 1 plus x to the exponent n. And because of our exponent laws, or our exponent rules, we know that the square root of 1 plus 3x is equivalent to 1 plus 3x all to the exponent 1 over 2. And so now that these two are in the same format, we have our n value, which is 1 over 2, and our x value, which is 3x. Now we can substitute these values into our general formula to find out the four terms we need. So the general formula is as follows. 1 plus x to the exponent n is equivalent to 1 plus n times x plus n times n minus 1 times x squared divided by 2 factorial plus n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times x cubed divided by 3 factorial, and this goes on and on and on, but we only need the first four terms, so we're going to stick with what we have so far. Now we just need to substitute in our values and then simplify after. So we get 1 plus 3x to the exponent 1 over 2 is equivalent to 1 plus 1 over 2 times 3x plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 times 3x all squared divided by 2 factorial plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 times 1 over 2 minus 2 times 3x all cubed divided by 3 factorial. And the first step in simplifying this is to get rid of the dividing by factorial business, and to do that we can just multiply by the reciprocal of 2 factorial and 3 factorial. So let's do that. 1 plus 3x to the exponent 1 over 2 is equivalent to 1 plus 1 over 2 times 3x plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 times 3x all squared times 1 over 2, which is the reciprocal of 2 factorial, plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 times 1 over 2 minus 2 times 3x all cubed times 1 over 6, which is the reciprocal of 3 factorial. Now we can just continue simplifying even further. In this way, we get 1 plus 3x to the exponent 1 over 2 is equivalent to 1 plus 1.5x plus negative 1.125x squared plus 1.6875 x to the 3. And here we have it. These are our first four terms. 1 is the first term, 1.5x is the second, negative 1.125x squared is the third, and 1.6875x cubed is the fourth. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.